nice. Just in case you're wondering where the golf was. Well, unfortunately he's here looking sad. Nothing's really changed, unfortunately, other than it's got more manky. Yeah, and it's just turning very sorry for itself, and it's turning into garden storage at the moment. I've got a pond, mower, ornaments, rubbish. I've got some parts, not much of them. But yeah, it's looking very sorry for itself. Underneath here, nothing else has really changed since we got it started up. Yeah, it's just looking really very sorry for itself, which I'm not very keen on. I've just noticed some stone chips. Got 1 or 2 stone chips there, you can see it on camera. But yeah, looking very sorry for itself. Reason why I've not done anything with it, mainly because of the weather. It's currently raining, well, spitting, and ill health. So yeah, that and trying to get parts for it is getting stupid in this current climate. And what parts are available is just stupid price. And I've got thousands of pounds to chuck at it. So what I want to do is put the wings on, but first we need to go around this side. I need to weld this hole up first, and then I can put the wings on. Then I can put the grille and bumper on, make it look like a car. Put the new brake pipes, connect them all up, service them, the brakes. I am going to put new brake discs and pads, even though the pads, there's quite a bit of pad on it. I'm still going to put new ones on because these have got a massive lip. Suspension, I am wanting to put coilovers on it. Can I afford coilovers? I don't know, but I'm going to try. I did look underneath. Oh dear. I did look underneath the last video, which was nearly 6 months ago, and I need a new subframe underneath. So yay. So yeah, I've got a new subframe as well. I want to button the entire front end of the car up, right from there to there. Then I've got in the front, I don't know if you can see it between the stupid garden statues, a tiny hole. Let's see if I can go this way around. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There you go, there's my thumb. Yeah, I need to weld that hole up. And then after I've done that, I want to sort the door cards out and everything, clean all the rust up inside, put some paint and protection in it. Then I can put the front seats and the back seats, do the same with the door cards, then back seats. Then there's the boot, which is an issue on its own. Right, at the back of the car, and the main issue with the back of the car is, where is it? There, one of the tank straps there has come off, and pulled that out. I have got a new one. I have paid stupid amounts of money for it, but I want to remove the tank so I can weld it all up, protect it. Then I want to clean the tank as well. Obviously, weld that all up, obviously, and then I can put the plate back on. Yeah, so I've got a few videos left in this, which is a good thing for yourselves, and obviously for YouTube and content, but not for me, because once it's on the road, you may be asking what's all this tape for, and I can't quite get to it. Yeah, I don't know if you can just see on camera, there's a tiny slit because the rubbers are that old and pitted and just knackered in general. That's pouring in water in here. So what I found online, I don't know if you can remember, but the second video I think it was, when I took the door cards off, there was rucks of plastic and stuff wedged in the bottom. Turned out it was for the inside of the door, so it goes at the top here. Goes from the top here on the other side of the door, so at this side of the door, and droops down, so when any water that does come in goes this side of the door and then comes down. So yeah, so now I've got to do that on all four, because like I said, this is the remains of the plastic, and well, it's just so hard, it's just breaking. I mean, it's not really plastic, well, not sheets of plastic anyway. The person did find the logbook and manual. He said he's found the servo. That's not for this. No idea what it's for. And then he says he's found the water bottle. That's not for it either. I think personally he's just giving me a Ruck and Mart free bits, because that's what it looks like. I have got a new expansion bottle. I have managed to get some new parts, which is a good thing, but obviously limited money is a thing. Yeah, like the subframe just there, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, that's part of the subframe. It goes from the passenger side to the driver's side. It starts here, it ends about there. So yeah, ends there, starts there. Yeah, like I say, that's rotten. That's on its own is £100 new. You may say, well, go second hand. They want nearly £100 for a second hand one, which I don't understand myself, but you know, present climate, it's just mental. Now I've got to buy a windscreen, but I've got an idea for content. I'm going to try and buy some injection thingies, repair kits, just to see. I mean, it's shot anyway, so if it's shot, it's dead. So I might as well just go and get another screen, see if them things do actually do any good. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why what I want to do. Even like I say, reason why I've not done anything is just ill health and the weather. It's either been too cold or too wet. And I'm not in no posh garage. I'm in my next door neighbour's driveway that I've pinched. Sort of. He has given it me, luckily. He's a very nice man. But yeah, unfortunately, that is the sky. And you know, we can't afford a unit or a garage. So once again, stuff like that's going for a stupid premium price. So yeah, I am hoping to obviously get the channel to the point of, you know, YouTube are paying me, then I can have a unit. But yeah, just got to get there first, haven't we? I think we're at 84 subscribers now, which is, you know, great. You know, not 1,000, but you know, I'm grateful for what we got. at least 84 of you guys out there like it, out of billions, which is somewhat depressing. But anyway, grateful anyway. Yeah, obviously I'm on the TikTok. I've got 900 and some odd people on TikTok. I've got like 20 some odd people on Facebook. Instagram I think is about the same as well. I have got Twitter, but I don't really put anything on Twitter. I've got 0 people on there. Yeah, if I can get some more people on there, then obviously I'll start posting on there. Yeah, so oh, and I've got a Twitch. It's where I play games at night, just to try and de-stress myself. I've been on there quite a bit, you know, with weather and illness and family, you know. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to leave it there, guys. If you'd like to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and all that juicy goodness, gratefully appreciated, you know. And hopefully in the next month or so, I'll, you know, make a start on this, because I desperately want to get it done on the road. You know, it's been like 2 years now, and yeah, it's just turned into a shed now. Although I do need to get my sheds done, the bottom of the garden sorted, so it's just one thing that leads into another. Stuff has been buried now, so yeah. The next video you'll see, I want to empty the car out, and then make a start on the 2 patches of welding that I mentioned. One on the bottom of the A-pillar and one on the floor. Get them done. Then hopefully the next video after that, wings, and get all the front end looking nice and tidy. And somewhere in the meantime, I'll give it a damn good wash. But yeah. Yeah, so like I say, if you'd like to like, comment, subscribe, and all the juicy goodness that YouTube wants us to do, and see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.